Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by putting the watch on firmly and opening the ECG app. This reduces motion artifact and ensures good electrical contact. Once the app is open, position your arm on a flat surface and relax. This stabilizes the signal. Make sure the watch and paired iPhone are updated and nearby because firmware fixes and health permissions enable proper recording. If the app is missing, add it via the iPhone Health app. Now you're ready to begin the recording step. When you tap record, you'll need to hold steady for the full 30 seconds because the algorithm analyzes waveform consistency. Place a fingertip gently on the digital crown. This closes the electrical circuit and gives the watch a lead-eye equivalent. Do not press hard, which can distort the signal. Keep your wrist resting on a table and breathe normally. Movement or talking introduces interference. Once done, the watch will classify rhythm and sync the PDF to your iPhone automatically. After the recording completes, you should immediately review the waveform and the rhythm classification on your iPhone so you understand the result and can save or export a PDF for your clinician. Make sure Health has permission to store ECGs, and that sharing is enabled if you plan to send it. If the trace shows low quality or inconclusive results, reseat the watch, update software, and retry while sitting still in a quiet room. This fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.